It's going to be a Mercedes-Benz weekend. Today there's a Cars and Coffee at Mercedes-Benz Classic Center. I'm going to be taking 124, and tomorrow there's another Mercedes-Benz exclusive feature at the State of Speed event. It's like 210. I posted about this in the community section of my channel, so if you've been keeping up, you'll know about this. If you want to go to an event that I go to, I've also posted on Instagram. Also a great way to kind of keep up with what I do. We're going to meet up early with another 124 Cabriolet, a 500D, and a 126, and rolling together. All right, just arrived another 94 E320 in Imperial Red with parchment interior. Not kitted. 500E, 124 coupe back there, and there was a 126. Classic Center meet was actually pretty good. It was a really good turnout. It was so awesome to meet and talk to some of you that were there. If you ever see me at meet, come say hi. Today we are taking the 210 to the State of Speed event. It starts an hour earlier, so it is early morning. I wonder if this will trigger any of the kids from TikTok. If you don't know what I'm talking about, when I posted the cup holder short on TikTok, people lost it in the comments saying you're not supposed to put a bottle in a cup holder. You're supposed to put cups in a cup holder. I think the brain rot generation is lost. I think any beverage is supposed to fit in a cup holder, not just cups. Anyway, let's get going. We're like 30 minutes late, but this whole place is pretty packed. Not as big of a turnout as yesterday, but still a decent amount of cars. Most of the cars that actually here came from yesterday too. All right, well, State of Speed is over. I actually stayed the entire event. Now it's time to roll out. It was too nice of a day not to drive by the beach. So pretty much the same routine as last time. You might notice that I like coming here. All right, we are back at the same spot like the last vlog. And yeah, it's pizza time again. It's days like today that make me really miss driving my 210 and make me really want another one as a daily. So hopefully we'll get that wagon soon, because this is honestly one of the best cars to drive. All right, tell me, TikTok brains. Cup in a cup holder now, does that work for you? Because it's still gonna fall when you brake hard, accelerate hard, or turn hard. Or is the bottle not allowed in here? I hate when people just leave their trash outside the roll around. Some interesting cars out today. I think there's some event going on. It's not just the weekend, like maybe perhaps like a surf competition, being Surf City, USA. Interesting looking Camaro. We got a C7 Corvette with a wing. Wagon. Classic truck. 240. My old F-150 had that reverse alarm. It looks like summer's back in this area because it's definitely more crowded at the beach. It's pretty quiet actually in the winter months, but now it seems that people are going to the beach every weekend. Now we're back inside the garage cooling off. But that was actually a pretty good weekend. Got some Benz events both on Saturday and Sunday. Classic Center was, I think, better. There's just more turnout, but still great nonetheless, thanks to Classic Center, MBCA, and State of Speed for hosting all that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.